So now this is the fourth question I'm going to be answering on differentiation. So now, as I've been saying earlier or before the past questions, now the first thing you do if you see questions like this is anything inside this place, you represent it with a variable. So let's pick a variable. I pick A. I love using A a lot. So A is equal to what? Sec x plus what? Tan x. Now you have to be very familiar with the differentiation of a lot of those trigonometric terms like sec, tan, cot, and their differentiation. Cosec, a lot of them. You have to be very familiar with them. So first of all, that means our y is equal to what in A, since we have used A to represent all this like A, right? So the y the A will be equal to what? The y the A will be equal to 1 over A. Don't forget, anytime you have in anything, the differentiation will be 1 over that particular variable you are doing it with. So now let's differentiate this one so that we can have our what? The A, the x. Now, when you differentiate sec x, what do you get? When you differentiate sec x, you get sec x tan x. And when you differentiate tan x, you get what? You get sec square x. So now, in this particular equation, I don't know, but you have to be just familiar with this. If you want to know how to differentiate it, you have to be familiar with a lot of all these trigonometric terms. But let me just go straight to the point. So sec x is sec x tan x, and tan x is sec square x. So we can do it to factorize this, right? So the A dx will equal to what? Sec x is common, right? You can say sec x into bracket what? Tan x plus sec x. That's what we get here, right? So we have sec x into brackets tan x plus sec x here. So now let's come back here. So that means our dy dx using function or chain rule is what? Dy dA times what? DA dx. I've mentioned this thing a couple of times if you have grabbed it. So dy dA times what? DA dx. So now look at this stuff and this stuff. Now let me revise this one. That means our dA dx is equal to what? Sec x into bracket sec x plus tan x. It's the same thing as this one. So sec x into bracket tan x plus sec x, and sec x is sec x plus tan x. So can you see that it's the same thing, right? Now there's something familiar with this stuff. Now if you look at this stuff, it is what? The same thing as our A, right? So that means this is sec x plus tan x, this is sec x plus tan x. So that anyway you see sec x plus tan x, you are going to insert it with what? A. So you now have the A dx is equal to what? Sec x into bracket what? A, right? Or sec x times A, the same thing. So therefore, the y dx will now be equal to what? The y dA is what? 1 over A, abi? Times what? The A dx is what? Sec x times A, sec x dot A, right? Multiplication is connecting all of them. This dot also means multiplication. So A can cancel what? A, right? So therefore, our dy dx is equal to what? Sec x. So that is our final answer. I hope you understand the concept. Thank you very much.